Another member of the Board of Judges from Agricultural Training Institute, Jessa Maglange. Alright, thank you. So, 5 kamanggiitan nga maghusga sa ato ang game karon. So, are you ready for the banner racing? Ready na sila. So, mechanics is that tinahanglan nga maabot yun ang banner dito sa pinakatumoy. Ang pinakauna, ang duha, both ends, no? Kana siyang duha dapat mahigot. O niya inigsaka dito sa tumoy, dapat niya sang ihigot sa ubos. O na siya mechanics. O niya, wala na ni trial, final na ni diretso, and the decision will also be final. If you wanna appeal the decision, it's not appealable already. You can go to the Supreme Court if you like. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? So for the first event of 2025 Day 7 Sports Fest Red Angels Cup, we have now the banner racing in 3, 2, and wapagani. 3, 2, 1. Pagod. Hoy, hangada sa nang inyong flag. Hoy, huwag niabot, mas tumoy. Alright, the winner